Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aji, and to my new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this Orzo pasta with some of that salmon, and I seasoned it with some turmeric, ginger and sesame oil based seasoning with some other goodness. If you want to know how this is made, please stay tuned. This is delicious, yummy, also good. And like I said, this is salmon right there. Oh, look at that beautiful salmon and those shrimps. And I have some Orzo pasta. I really love Orzo pasta. My family loves Orzo pasta. And occasionally I like to create stuff with it, and I really like it. And right there I have balsamic vinegar, some Maggi cubes, you know, whatever seasoning you like, chopped dry onions right there, garlic. I really love garlic. And that's the turmeric, ginger, sesame that I told you guys is really delicious. I wanted to create something special, and that some of that is the seasoning that I made. And I have soy sauce right there, carrots. We have onions, green onions, red peppers, bell peppers, some Thai chili peppers, and some of that cilantro. So an extra virgin olive oil. So stay tuned. So in a bowl, you want to put a good amount of that sesame, ginger, turmeric marinade, and in that you want to bring in some of that balsamic vinegar. To that you want to add the soy sauce, dried onions, some of that seasoning that I made is my seasoning that I usually make, and salt and pepper. Then you want to mix it all together until, you know, fully mixed. Taste it to your liking, and you can add whatever seasoning you like to it. Then you want to bring in the fish, you know, thoroughly coat it on both sides, and then wrap it up and put it in the fridge for an hour or overnight. Overnight is better. And then in a saucepan, like a small cooking pot or a saucepan, you want to bring the carrots, celery, chopped celery, some of the peppers, the bell peppers, chopped bell peppers, chopped onions, chopped green onions, garlic, and then saute it until golden brown. Add salt and pepper, and then also you can add your seasoning, preferred seasoning, and then mix it up, saute it until golden brown. Also add some of that Thai chili peppers, but that's optional. You don't have to put it in there. But it adds a lot of flavor, brings in a lot of flavor to the cooking. Once you're done with that, you know, saute to your desired taste, and to you know, however you want it. And then from there, you can bring in, whilst you're doing that, you can also on the side boil your Orzo pasta, you know, follow the direction on the package, and then you can bring it into the to the onions that you saute. Once you're done with that, you also, that's the water from the boiled Orzo. at least 30 minutes. Now we can go ahead and grill our salmon. And shrimp. So at this point, you want to bring the sauce that you use to season the fish and the shrimp, reduce it to a thick consistency, because that's what's going to be our sauce. Now, once it's reduced to a thick consistency, you're all done. And enjoy. Thank you guys for watching.